Northwood Green Life is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to promote environmental responsibility in the Northwood district of West Palm Beach. We do that by reaching out to businessmen, residents, organizations, and to government entities as well to collaborate with us to help make the Northwood Green Life District a sustainable area.
Well, the garden came about when a group of neighbors came together and realized that a community garden was the perfect way to express the mission of Northwood Green Life. It started with a small group and has grown to include a lot of wonderful and generous neighbors. We have a small plot, just 25 feet by 82 feet deep, next to the Mark Plating Building in Northwood Village.
What we've been able to do is try to incorporate as many sustainable elements into the garden as possible. Some of the features will be 4 photovoltaic panels, which will provide the electricity to run the lights and the pumps for the garden. We also plan to collect the rainwater from the roof of Mark's Plating and lead it to underground cisterns. The cisterns, there will be 2 cisterns, 1,000 gallons each, and then that will provide the rainwater for the irrigation of the garden. We plan to use raised beds here, so it'll be accessible to people, the elderly, and also recipient people who have wheelchairs. So we're trying to really make a garden for everyone. There will be educational elements tied into it, and really it works on many, many different levels, and that's what we're trying to achieve.
We have a groundbreaking on June 17th, and we hope to be in place and planting by August. We have a master gardener who's involved who will direct us in the seasonal plantings, so we know exactly what to plant for the time of year and where in the garden to plant it.
The Quantum Foundation, who's generous enough to give us quite a bit of money for it, and we also have private people who are able to come out on the 17th and donate some naming aspect of the garden. It can be as little as $25 to help the garden get started, or it could be as much as you want. And there are lots of naming and other opportunities that will be discussed then.
But first, we've got to build it. As they said in Field of Dreams, build it and they will come. So that's what we're hoping to do on the 17th, to start that process.